If you're trying to play Roblox and suddenly get hit with the message, disconnected from game, error code 280, please reconnect. Don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to fix it quickly and safely. This error usually appears when Roblox fails to load certain files or when old temporary data gets in the way. So let's walk through the steps that will get you back in game. First, make sure Roblox is completely closed. If it's stuck or running in the background, it may keep causing the same error. To double check, open your Task Manager by right-clicking your Start menu and selecting Task Manager. Search for anything related to Roblox. If you see it, end the task. If nothing shows up, you're already good. Next, we're going to clear out some old files that might be corrupt. Open your search bar and type run. Open the run box and type %local app data %. This will take you to your local app data folder. Look for the Roblox folder, and once you find it, delete it completely. Don't worry, Roblox will recreate a fresh version when you launch it again. Once that's done, repeat the process. Open run again, but this time type %temp %. These are your temporary system files. Select everything inside and delete it. These files build up over time and can interfere with apps like Roblox. After clearing everything, the most important step is to restart your PC. This refreshes the system and ensures all changes apply correctly. Once your computer boots back up, launch Roblox again. In most cases, the error disappears instantly, and you should be able to jump right back into your games without any issues. Hopefully, this helped you fix error code 280 and get Roblox running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.